Now, let's talk about pertussis. Now, pertussis is sneaky, and it made a comeback. That's why we re-immunize everybody with the tetanus shot, Tdap. Bottom line is, this goes on for about 3 months. Now, there's 3 phases: catarrheal, paroxysmal, and convalescent. Now, catarrheal is the first 2 weeks where they get mucous membrane engorgement, so the nose, a little bit of GI stuff. So they get cough and a runny nose. Guys, this is one for 2 weeks. This is a kid with a cough and a runny nose for 2 weeks. Nobody could possibly diagnose this. 2 weeks, probably you'd think it's allergies. I probably would, okay? Now, for about 4 to 6 weeks, you have this paroxysmal phase. Now, I want to say something that's very basic, but here's what I found teaching APP audiences. Sometimes, some of the things that I think everybody knows, the word's a little elusive. So paroxysmal just simply means comes and goes, that's all. If I said paroxysmal AFib, it comes and goes, okay? So if I said with tetanus, there's paroxysms of spasm, okay? Now, if I said to you there's a disease that's benign, it's a benign disease, okay? It's positional. There's a benign disease, it's positional, it's paroxysmal, and you get vertigo from it. What disease is that? Oh, BPPV. Oh, okay, benign positional paroxysmal. Okay, so it tells you exactly what the problem is. Okay, so bottom line is, in the paroxysmal phase, this is where kids cough, they have inspiratory whoops, and then they get better. Bottom line is, if a kid comes in, this would typically be kidlets, and they have a weird cough, it's been going on for a while, oftentimes you're going to think it's croup. But croup only lasts a couple days. They'll have inspiratory whoops, and it looks like and sounds like this. Okay, inspiratory whoops. Inspiratory whoops, that's concerning. You want to culture this. Here's what's significant on pertussis. Kidlet gets a macrolide, and so does close contacts. Everybody in the house gets macrolides, okay? So mainstay of therapy is just O2 nabs, ventilation, macrolides to the child and close contacts. And just so you guys know, as people who work urgent care, I mean, we're in the front line of infectious disease. We're in the front line of this. Infectious disease and addiction. Just be aware of that. And a lot of us are really unprepared for that. So we'll talk about it in this course. Pertussis, just know there are complications. It's highly contagious. We give macrolides to close contacts. Now, it is diagnosed with a nasal pharyngeal swab. You just have to know, can you even test for where you are? Understand your resources.